Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. This is Nelly Choice. If it's your first time of seeing my pretty face, that is who I am. I'm from Ebonyi State, Nigeria, and that is where I live. Today, I want to talk about Asian fruit. I will put the picture here so that you'll see what it looks like. Asian fruit. What you can use it for. It has spiritual benefits and health benefits. But today, I want to teach you the spiritual benefit, one of the spiritual benefits you can use it for. This video is for people that always get attacked or have a terrible nightmare. This video is for you. But before I continue, if you need any of my products or services, you can chat me up on my only WhatsApp number 09061281100. Please, if you're chatting me, go straight to the point. I'll be glad to answer you. I like using organic things. My slogan is life made easy with herbs, roots, and animal. And Asian fruit, it's one of them. All you need is Asian fruit and local charcoal burner. This is what you need. You can get Asian fruit in any local store here in Africa. I don't know overseas, but it's very common here, especially in Igbo land. It's very, very common. An incense burner, the local one. You can use the modern one. Maybe you'll be feeling like the ash or the charcoal will spoil your space or make it dirty. You can use the one you want to use. Put charcoal, make it heat, cut the Asian fruit into pieces, put it there. Before you do that, take your baits. Use that smoke that is coming out from that Asian fruit. Use it to sage your house, your room, your apartment, your flat, or a room. Sage your house. You will see how you're going to sleep like a baby that night and wake up as a queen or as a king. Do it 3 days or 7 days. Come and thank me later. I like making use of organic things. I like using things in their raw form. If I want to do spiritual work for somebody, I make use of gravel incense, frankincense, and these Asian fruits and other ones because they are organic. They are in their natural form. I didn't say they already made incense is not good. Sometimes I make use of it. If I don't have time to go and be making that the charcoal one, I will just light it up. But I like making use of even the peace and comfort you get from the aroma that comes out from that smoke is something else. I would like to end this video here. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I upload any interesting video like this one, you'll be the first to get notified. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.